Our collective safety performance is made of numerous conversations, observations, and recommendations. It's built over years, but made in the moment. This living, breathing, broad collaboration reaches between organisations. In the past 12 months, there's been unprecedented collaboration between Heli Offshore, the Flight Safety Foundation, International Civil Aviation Organisation, the Helicopter Safety Advisory Conference, Oil and Gas UK, and APITO, not to mention many other industry bodies and manufacturers, to publish and support IOGP's report 690. In the past few months, 2 new wind farm recommended practices, one from G+ and one from Heli Offshore, have been launched. Proof of many years' collaboration between helicopter operators, aircraft manufacturers, energy companies, wind turbine manufacturers, and industry regulators. And we're proud to announce the same collaborative drive has delivered recent breakthroughs in human hazard analysis. Human hazard analysis, or HHA, is a tool used to identify and assess potential human errors in the operation or maintenance of a new or existing aircraft. This year, operators, maintainers, planners, engineers, and supervisors formed an open, honest collaboration for safety. They came together not to confront or compete, but to listen and learn, to share best maintenance practice and identify potential error traps in safety-critical tasks. These safety conversations have already made a difference by shifting the focus from error and blame to shared problem-solving and introducing a positive, proactive habit of learning from everyday practice. These same conversations have generated the information and insight manufacturers need to improve the aircraft design, documentation, and tooling to reduce hazards. Now operators and manufacturers have published a new standardized practice for human hazards analysis, an exciting industry first and a challenge to our community. How will you implement these recommendations into your business? This is how collaboration for safety saves lives. And as the energy economy changes and as industries adapt, as we collect more data, as we understand more about what we must do to ensure no lives are lost in offshore aviation, our collaborations and practices must work hard to keep up. Safety demands collaborations that reach deep into our organisations, to the front lines we serve. To connect people with different roles and different understandings, often with different politics, priorities, and pressures. Yet, if we work at this, if we ask the question, listen for the answer, if we risk discomfort and irritation, if we encourage connection and collaboration, we will develop a resilient workforce served by an open, responsive, and increasingly aligned industry. What safety conversation do we need to have next?